Hi guys, it's me Hajra Vadhariya. Welcome back to another video. Today I am here with one of the most requested video of ages, like ages. So it is liner tutorial, as you can see by the title. So I am here with a quick liner tutorial. Also, we are not playing games here, guys. I am going to be reviewing the newest liners in the Pakistani makeup market. So boom, here we go. This is the Alezem Beauty's liquid liner that recently launched. Comes like this along with the mascara. So it says Wing It liner and the mascara is called Lash Out Loud mascara. I'm gonna use it in front of the camera so you guys can catch my honest first unedited impressions and reviews about this product. Okay, so guys, I am gonna start up with the liner and then mascara, but before that I'll quickly do a little bit on my eyes. As you can see, my eyeshadow base is done. With that being said, let's just fast forward the little eye makeup, very subtle everyday kind of thing that I want to do. I hope you guys will enjoy this. I hope you guys will learn something good out of this video. If you do, please hit like, comment. Also, follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and what else? Let's just get started. You make me. So I'm done with my little bit of eye look. I hope you guys like this. And now the reason that I have done a little bit of eyeshadow in a liner tutorial is that a few liners sometimes they do not perform good on eyeshadows, on top of eyeshadows, pigments and glitters. Matte eye के ऊपर तो बहुत अच्छे से perform कर लेते हैं, but eyeshadows के ऊपर they sometimes kind of give you a little bit of hard time. So just to check that aspect, I have put a little bit of eye look on using my eyeshadows. So this is how the component looks like. I'm gonna be mentioning the price somewhere around the screen. Also, I have a code with Alezem Beauty, as you guys know or may not know. My code is HB10. I'm gonna put that also around the screen. So anytime you're buying anything from Alezem Beauty, make sure you use my code to avail a 10% discount on your entire order. Be it discounted products, deals, bundles, whatever, you can still get an extra 10% off with my code. Okay, looking at the component, first of all, I love the price point. I love the packaging. I love the color. It's really sleek, looks really nice, really lightweighted. Ooh, do you see that? Do you see that? How fine this tip is? Okay, usually I'm gonna be super honest. Something that really matters for me is the tip, okay? And I don't know why I do not enjoy soft tips. I like a little hard tips. I feel it just makes everything really easy. So this one, I believe, is not like super soft and also not super hard. It's somewhere in the middle. But just applying, like swatching it, I believe that the tip is nice. But we cannot give a final verdict until we don't use it on the eyes. So I guess we'll start it. Coming on to the liner, I do love this liner. You can see it's super duper black. Like if you just zoom in, it's really nice and black. It's matte. I love the finish of the liner. It's, you know, you can see it's super matte, super black and so killed. So I love that. So application was super easy. इसका applicator is amazing और बहुत अच्छे से, you know, very minor covering भी वो बहुत अच्छे से perform कर रहा था. I absolutely love it. And if you are looking for a good liquid liner, this is amazing, hands down, because I really enjoyed working with it. Currently I have these two that I'm using, and I must say that this one is much better than these. Like, you know, finish तो सबकी ही अच्छी है, but I do feel कि इसका applicator तीनों इन दोनों से best है. बहुत thin और precise है. So you can see I've done like a very chiseled, very sharp thin wing, तो बहुत easily हो गई. Essence का थोड़ा मोटा है applicator, तो इतनी पतली wing नहीं बनती है. और जितनी पतली है और जितनी अच्छी इसकी एप्लीकेटर है, तो बिगिनर्स के लिए तो ये बहुत अच्छा है. एंड दिस इज़ माई ऑनेस्ट 100% ऑनेस्ट रिव्यूज़. अगर आपको ये बाय करना है, आप ज़रूर बाय करें, because it's really good. If you're looking for a good liner, you should try this. It's not expensive, so it's amazing. Also Alezem Beauty पे आपको extra 10% डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है मेरे कोड से, और उनके बंडल्स भी आते रहते हैं which are amazing. So go follow them and I 100% recommend this. Oh, Lash Out Mascara again, I love. एक तो ये दोनों साथ में एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, so I love that fact. Again, इसकी भी प्राइस is really nice, and I don't know why instantly reminds me of better than Love Mascara from Too Faced. I don't know why. Also इसके एप्लीकेटर को आप देखेंगे तो आपको याद आएगा, because इसका Hourglass एप्लीकेटर है. So woo, you can see it is an Hourglass applicator. So that's how it looks. Okay guys, I love the price point, love the packaging, और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, but the real test is here, you guys. Let's see. So let's start. Do you see this? Oh my god, I like it. This is nice. This is a good mascara, guys. I love how it's kind of curling them because of the Hourglass applicator, और बहुत अच्छे से lift कर रहा है. As I said, Hourglass applicator होता है, वो अच्छे से curl और lift कर देता है mascara को. So I love lashes को. So I love that. Also I do like the volume जो mascara ने दी है. So these are my upper lashes, अब मैं lower lashes भी करूँगी, so you guys can see for yourself. They do look bomb. So this is a good mascara, I would say, and I do recommend you guys if you want to buy it. If you are looking for a mascara, definitely it's nice. I mean, here is my final look. You can see, coming on to both the products, I do love the liner a lot. मुझे liner literally बहुत अच्छा लगा है. Mascara is also really nice to an extent. I do like it. I do recommend it. Price point के हिसाब से I do love the packaging, the quality, the mascara. Loving the Hourglass applicator. इसका it literally you can see कि किस तरह से lift किया. It was looking, I couldn't see my lashes liner में से पहले, and now I can see the lift and curl that. So I do love that about this mascara and its applicator. So it's really nice. And I love this. Like, this has to be my favorite from both the twos. I love the liner a lot, but doesn't mean that I don't like the mascara. Mascara is amazing. I love the lift and curl that it has given to me. It's insane. So that's about the products. I highly recommend it. I will be mentioning the prices. If you guys have seen it or not, I'll mention it again. Also, my discount code is there to avail an extra 10% off on anything. So make sure that you go ahead and place your orders for these two products, and don't forget to use my code. Hope you guys enjoyed the liner tutorial, and hope you guys enjoyed this first impression reviews about these two products. And I guess that's pretty much all I have to say. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and if you want me to do any other new video ideas, do let me know in the comments below. Also follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll catch you guys later.